In the last class, we learnt what is the meaning of pattern, right? Let us learn detailedly the meaning of pattern through examples. So, join with me to solve the sequence of the pattern. Here you have some of the shapes. The continuation of the sequence will form a pattern. So, the three types of shapes present in the first question, you have to write the left out of other shapes. So, here you have three types of shapes. Again, the first shape is written here. And next you have to write the second shape. And again next the third shape should be written here. And what we have to do? You might be thinking, right? Again we have to go to the first shape. The continuation of the three shape is called as a pattern. So again you can write the first shape. This is what pattern sequence forms. Let us see through another example. Here you have your familiar shapes, that is square, triangle, circle. Again square, triangle, and we have to write now what? Yes, you are correct. That is circle. Again, which shape you have to write now? Square. Next, triangle. Have you understood, children? Let us see the third example. Here is a shape of one shape that is written in the reverse order. So, here you have one and second and third. Again you have to write this shape. So, the next shape is already given here. Let us write what comes after this shape is, here we have only two pattern of shapes. So, alternative shapes are written here. Again write the same shape. Again this reverse shape. This is what the pattern sequence formed. Have you understood, children? Yes. Here is an example for you. This is a formation of pattern, and this is also one of the formation of pattern, and this is also the one of the formation of pattern. Children, what do you observe a common shape in each figure? So, you see here in a rectangle, isn't it? So, you see the shape of rectangle over the first figure, and in the second figure you see the shape of diamond. So, you can see the shape of diamond. It is a common shape formed here, the pattern, and here you can see the shape of square, isn't it? So, each shape is formed a pattern to make a different sequence. Have you understood, children? Here is another example for you to find out the sequence of pattern. So, here the first example, you have two dots, one is and beside. So, here is a two dot or a two small circles, one is up and one is down. It is in the opposite direction, and again it is together, and this is up and down. So, to complete the sequence, what you have to do, you have seen the two forms of sequence in the first example. So, again continuing, you have to write this form, and again opposite direction forms. Here, second example, you have triangle. So, one is triangle and the reverse of triangle, and triangle again reverse triangle, again triangle, again reverse triangle, again triangle. Have you understood? And third one, arrow reverse, and here arrow and backward arrow and reverse arrow. This is the formation sequence of a pattern, and here you have 1 dot and 2 dot, again 1, again 2. So here you have to write 1 dot, again here 2 dot, again 1 dot. And the fifth example is square circle, again square, circle, again square. So this is what we have to do to write the pattern. I hope you understood with this examples. Thank you so much.